All right, so here is the Quntis PD fast charger and cable. So this is for iPhone, iPads, iPods. I mean, technically it's just a USB-C output, so I don't think it has to be with an iPod or an iPhone Apple product, but we'll see. We'll test it on a couple different things. So in the box, modest little plug, not too huge, not too small. I have a big hand, so here's a super fast charging Samsung that comes with USB-C, so it's a relatively newer one. You can see the Quntis GaN charger is much smaller, so the GaN chargers are able to pump out good power without being physically smaller. It does come with an instruction manual, really just kind of lists the materials, and a 6-foot cable, and it has a little Velcro strap, which I like. That's good. One side is USB-C, and the other side is a lightning cable. So first things first, let's just make sure it works, period. So here is an electrical outlet, and that's a USB-C port on the GaN charger. This is not the cable that came with it, it's just a standard USB-C cable. So if I wanted to plug in my Samsung phone, it does, and it says it is fast charging. It's 36% full, and it should be full in 1 hour and 3 minutes. I'll let that sit there for a minute while I go get an iPhone. Well, I guess for comparison's sakes, that's the C charging. So it says 1 hour and 5 minutes until full from the GaN charger. Now we're gonna use a 130 watt Dell XPS 9710 charger. So a laptop charger, obviously a much larger, physically larger contraption. You can see how much bigger this is, of course. And this one is not fast charging, and it says 2 hours and 23 minutes until full. So bigger, more powerful charger, not always better. All right, and now I'll use the same cable that I was using. This is my cable, not the GaN cable. Well, just Anchor battery pack, right? So we're gonna plug that in to the PD port. This is also PD for power delivery. I'm gonna plug that in here, and it says 1 hour and 5 minutes until full. So you can tell the PD port is very good, 1 hour and 2 minutes. So maybe even slightly faster, but let me go get an iPhone. All right, so here is iPhone 14. Pro Max, whatever their biggest one is. So I'm using the GaN charger with their cable, plugs right in, charging immediately. Now again, of course, you can take this same charger and plug it into a PD charger, will charge things. So obviously this cable's fine, a good cable. I mean, I like the little Velcro strap to wrap it up. But the bigger show here is that, you know, this little PD symbol, the little orange inside there, 30 watt mini PD charger. And again, fast charging 1 hour, 1 minute until full. Here is just a standard Samsung travel adapter with the USB-A on the side. When we plug it in here, it's 1 hour and 25 minutes until full. So it's a different cable, it's from C to C, but I think you get the point. The GaN charger has the power delivery feature, so it will charge faster. Again, 1 hour and 1 minute until full. It's just USB-C. I mean, it's marketed towards Apple products, of course. It does come with a lightning cable, but anything that has a USB-C capability should work just fine. So again, if you bought it for an iPad, the newer iPads are C to C, or a C charger, so you can plug in here and it should work fine. All right, that's it, short and sweet. Big thumbs up. All right, thanks.